Hi, my name is Natalie. I work as a full-time retail associate and I like to go for drives and hike. So originally my dad got into crypto, and so when I was younger, that is something that I always wanted to try, and I did try it for a little bit and it was really bad. So I tried looking for something, I think it's called drop shipping or something like that. I was interested in that originally, and I saw how hard that was, like the whole process of it. And so as I was looking for that kind of stuff, I kept getting ads on like day trading, and I saw an ad for your page. So I started looking into it, and it was something that I was interested in. And at first I did think it was a little sketchy, but the more I looked over your page and read about it, the more I realized, I was like, oh, this is not fake. Like, where does he get all these people from? And so basically, as soon as I saw your page is when I started really getting interested in day trading. I feel like it's pretty good. Right when you sign up, they send all the emails to help you set up your account and get you in the Discord and all of that. So that process took me a very short amount of time to get everything set up, along with all the videos you have in the PDF. So you have like an option to either watch the videos or just kind of read through everything. I feel like it's set up really well and really easy for anybody to be able to set up. One of the best things is definitely the videos. When I started in the program, I decided to go through, there's like a 60-page PDF that goes through everything, and I thought that's where I had to learn everything. So I wrote notes down on all 60 pages, and I started going through the videos, and they were so much easier. I felt like if they weren't there, I wouldn't have known any of it. For me not to procrastinate, because I feel like it took me a little longer to actually start looking into the content because of work before. And so that's something that I could definitely work on, is not letting myself be distracted so easily, not giving myself time to do like more important things, because I feel like I could have learned a lot more of it sooner if I would have spent more time on it. Patience is definitely one of them. Usually when I'm working, I'm a little bit impatient, especially if people don't listen to me. But I feel like you do have to be very patient with the trading, like even through the learning process, and that would help a lot in my daily life for me to be more patient at work. So that's the biggest one. It's a really good program. I feel like just about anyone can do it. You just have to like put your mind to it. I feel like some people might feel like they're not the type of person to go into that kind of stuff, but maybe it's something they should get into. From what I know, my friend does want to get into it, so eventually.